Hi everyone, welcome to Syncios channel. Today's topic is about how to recover deleted or lost message on your iPhone 12. To recover deleted iPhone data, things you need is a computer and iPhone 12, a USB cable, and a powerful Syncios data recovery. Let's start. Firstly, go to Syncios Download Center to get one data recovery tool. Get a suitable version by clicking the download button. When done, you can see a toolkit icons on your desktop. Run Syncios Toolkit. On the Start Button page, you can see 5 modules: Phone Transfer, Mobile Manager, WhatsApp Transfer, iOS Data Recovery, and iOS Data Eraser. To recover lost mobile phone data, tap on the upper right install icon to install and then single-click to enter. As you can see, you can choose to recover data from iOS device itself or from the backup files you are ever made. Stay in this session and connect your iPhone 12 to computer via USB cable. If you can't get your iPhone 12 connected, you can find related solution on our official website. Now click Start button to scan your iPhone 12. In this page, you can view the types of data that you are allowed to recover. Simply check item you want to load. Select All is always chosen by default. To save our time, let's uncheck this option and then singly check message. Tap on Next button to start loading. Please patiently wait. Since the more message your device has, the longer it will take to scan and load. After completely loading, all the message will be shown. If you have a large number of messages and difficult to find wanted ones, you can filter them by the search function. Check the items you would like to recover. Select Recover to Device option. You can see the selected data types and target phone here, and you should know that both chats and attachments will be restored to your iPhone 12 together. Tap on Recover to begin. Pay attention to the prompt on your iPhone 12 and when it finishes restoring, the iPhone 12 will automatically reboot and you can check the message later. Now open iPhone 12 to check. That's it! If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe our channel now.